Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Again, this is CHEL'S, and in this video, I will show you how do I clean the horse stable, which is my daily routine to clean the horse stable. And for now, I am in the barn. I will get the wheelbarrow because the shit or the dirt of the horses is already, I put it already on the side, so that when it's time for me to clean, I will only shovel it directly. I don't need to gather it like that. And I already prepare it early this morning when I let the horses out. So I put all together the shit on the corner so that when I come and clean, just directly shovel. And now I need to pick the shovel, so you can see it now that the shit was here on the corner of Thea's room. So this is Thea's room, and it's not that much of shit. It's because we put them 10:30 in the evening, put them inside the stable, and then after that, I will wake up around 5:45 or before 6:30 to let them out. So they don't have that chance to shit a lot inside the room. Maybe there's not maybe twice the shit, but not that much. So I prefer to let them out early. It's because if I will wait for 8 or 9 or 10 in the morning, the shits or the dirt is really scattered, and it take much of suspoon, and it's not good because the price of this suspoon is a little bit expensive. So if I let them out early, then the dirt is not much. Then when after I take all the dirt, I don't need to refill every day a suspoon. I just scattered a little bit so that we can save suspoon. And now I am in Panisa's room. See, as you can see, it's not much dirt here. So it's only one full barrel of shit that's I took from the 3 rooms. So it's not much. And then this is the entire shit that I take. I will throw it in the place where we threw the shit. It's not much that far, but it's the area where we usually throw. And during the summer, where the shit where we throw, it's like suddenly sinking. So because we throw the shit from October until first week of May, and then the summer, the horses are 24 hours outside. So we don't need to put them inside the stable. So they are free outside. Then we are relaxed by cleaning or doing the stable job like that. We only put water outside during the summer because they are free to eat fresh grass in our field. So this is the area where we throw the shit. And during the summer, this shit will be shrink in the ground. And then it take a long time maybe October or first week of November, then we can start throwing some shit there again, because it's the time that we will put again the horses. We will keep them inside the stable during night time, during if start of, I think, end of October or 1st of November, like that. And now I am gathering a hay, so that I can put a hay in the stable in each of their room to be ready for their meal tonight. So I took 2 bundles of hay, because each of this bundle is not that much big, and I need to additional a little bit more, and then the rest I can put it aside, because I have a place where to put the rest of the hay that I put for the horses. And then I need to go back again to the barn, and then put some hay in the wheelbarrow to be ready later for feeding the horses, because the time now it's already 3:15, and then it's their feeding time. So we feed the horses 3 times a day. It's when we let them out in the morning, we should put some hay so that they can eat directly when they were out. And then the second one, it's around 2 or 3 in the afternoon. And then the third one, which is when they were already in the stable, in their room. We have hay that we prepared in the stable, and we put also 1 scoop of the oats, and also with the water. And now it's time for me to give the oats. So we give them this much of oats every day. And then, because when they go inside in the stable, it's the first thing they will eat, the oats. And then oats in every horses. And then now, this is what I told you, that after I took all the shit, if the saucepan is still good, you don't need to refill any saucepan. You just scattered a little and put some where the pee, where the shit, so that the smell or the wet, it will not go to the horse's coats or skin, like that. It will absorb in the saucepan. So it's not that smell hard or very stinky. It's because the saucepan will absorb it. So I just scattered a little, and then after this I will take this hay and put in each room to be ready for tonight. And when we are putting hay, we must to loosen a little the hay. It's because if we put it directly after we take the rope in the bundle, the hay was really compressed by the hay maker or the hay machine. So we must to loosen a little so that it's a little bit easier for the horses when they were eating. Because if not, the hay was compressed. They were like stamping their foot a little to loosen the hay. So if we loosen it when we're putting it, so it helps for them. And now we are almost done putting all the hay in every room. Then it's done here. All I need to do is sweep a little bit outside, and in Tia's room, like that, for the hay. And this is how I did for cleaning the horses stable. It's not that really a hard job, but anyway, it's one of the responsibility being as an owner or being or having an animal. You must be responsible of taking care of your animals. Not only your animals, but also the place where they stay or where they relax. This is the last room that I need to put a hay, which is the room of Ventila. This is Ventila's room, and then loosen a little bit the hay. When you put it in the corner, loosen a little bit so that it can help a little bit for the horses when they are eating on it. Because if not, the hay was a little bit compressed and the horses will stamp on their foot on it to loosen it. So we are helping a little bit for them. And now I am finally done putting all the hays on each room. And I was planning to go after with my husband and the dog while they are hiking. But it's too late for me because when I come in the road, they are already coming home. They are in the middle of our field going back home. So I just waited on them here in the road. And then just a few seconds, they were coming back home. So just showing you the view or a little view in our surroundings. And here they are coming there, a small dot in the field. It was them. It's look like Ila, our dog, is not like that tired by walking. She is very playful and it doesn't look like tired. So that's it for today. And thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy my very simplest living or daily routine video here in Sweden. Bye! Thank you!